Alright boys, we just got back to Scott's house and we're gonna get to work. I mean, we're gonna wrap some stuff, but to watch that, you gotta go to his channel because I'm not showing you guys anything. I'm gonna give you a little tour of his garage if he allows me to. It's a nice, well, if you don't know Scott, he has 2 Corvettes. So C7, C5, a really nice garage. You can call the number, blah, 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 to get your car fixed here. I'll leave his number below. No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I mean, if you want to get something done to your car, he's willing to do it, right?
Yeah, shoot me an email, team512garage@gmail.com and spell out 5.
There we go. I'll put it here so they know. He does a lot of stuff on his cars. And to be honest, this is a dream garage with a lift, nice floors. Ah man, the Matt's garage needs some upgrades. We need some of, see here, it's like he has Corvette parts all over. I'm probably showing the parts that you guys don't see on his channel. So he has a nice toolbox here. So it's a really nice setup. So I'm gonna try to help him with the wrap stuff. But if you guys wanna see the final product, you gotta go to his channel and check it out. We had a really good time at Cars and Coffee, and it's unbelievable how nice it is outside. January, we are in PA, middle of the winter. So it's crazy how nice it is. So, you know, we have to enjoy. So we're gonna get to work. And then I'll show you guys some sneak peeks here and there, but to see the main thing, you gotta check his channel. Again, I'm not a professional by any means. Are you a professional wrapping stuff?
I've never done it before.
So we're gonna try, give our best shot. Take your time. Every time you work with wrap vinyl, take your time. You know, clean as much as you can. And, well, you're gonna see on his channel. Go there, go.
There's something like oddly therapeutic about doing this. I mean, just getting the bubbles out and pulling it tight and wrapping it and seeing the finished product. It's actually kind of fun. I can see how this could get addictive. Seriously, dude. I mean, look at that. Ah, it looks like carbon fiber! Yeah, honestly, I was undecided too. Like, I didn't know what to expect. Like I said, if it looked just like some cheap vinyl, I wasn't gonna be happy.
Alright boys, we did it. Basically everything. Scott, he did an awesome job. So again, if you want to see how is the final product, I'm just giving you a sneak peek there. So if you want to see everything, head over to Scott's channel. He's gonna show like the details of it. I'll say though, take your time. I always say that about wrapping anything. Take your time. What do you think, Scott? Doing that for the first time, any tips?
Take your time. He always says it, but take your time.
See? Take your time.
Take your time, yes.
And he did like a bunch of, he did most of parts. I basically did one part. You guys are gonna see on his video. And look at what we have here.
Things didn't really come together, guys, until I showed up. So
yeah, he's the master. He just brought a different energy, so we got better on it.
No, these guys are awesome. Just watch the video.
Yeah, just watch the video. So Cars guys here, so you know the drill. So now we're gonna put everything back together, and Scott's gonna take me for a ride on his Corvette. That's what he said. I don't even know if he's agreeing with it or not, but we're going. The only bad thing about coming to Scott's place, it's because I want those seats so bad. Oh man, I need that. I need those seats in my life. You know what? Now I know his address. At night, I'm gonna come here. So we're gonna grab food and I'm gonna head home because wife is there waiting. You know how that goes. But yeah, it was great to be here. So again, if you guys want to see how the wrapping thing went, go to his channel. It's
sure
looking.
You don't want to show him?
No,
like just like a quick.
Just like a quick sneak peek. There we go. So if you guys want to see it, check it out, Scott's channel. So we had a lot of fun, and again, we are not professional by any means, but hey, if you buy the vinyl by a couple of bucks, you know, 20, 30 bucks, depends on the size of the thing you need it. There you go, you can get done by yourself. Just be patient, and his channel has more like how to do it. I really encourage you to go there and look at. So I'm gonna get food and head home. We're going for a drive on the vet, for sure. That's 100%, we gotta do it. 1, 2. Let's do it. Woo! Woo!
That's what I mean, like, it's a Grand Sport, so it's got the Stingray Z51 dry sump engine. You know, I have people say to me, oh, why didn't you get the Z06? I don't know, this thing's pretty fast.
It's fast though. I think for me it's like, if you're not making a race car, this is more than enough power to be on the street. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, we haven't even gotten crazy at this thing. Dude, this looks good. It looks really good. This to me just looks freaking awesome.
He's talking about the carbon fiber thing we did. So again, I'm saying again, go to his channel so you can see the thing.
It looks so much better than that brushed aluminum stuff.
Because the aluminum didn't go well with anything here, right? Yeah. There's no traction.
0.
67 degrees. That's insane.
Yeah, I mean, there's not a bad C7 Corvette.
Not at all.
Base Stingray all the way to the ZR1. These cars are just amazing cars. GM took everything they learned from
the other generation.
Yeah, and you know, it's built on, you know, the modern Corvette platform. So the C5 was kind of the first, you know, modern generation with the transaxle. And so they just kept iterating on that design through the C5, through the C6, and then they came up with this thing, and it's just an amazing car.
It is an amazing car. It's so much power.
So that was like almost $3,000. This thing red lines at what, 6,500 is where the red line is. So $3,000, and you can shift this thing. It's called no lift shift. So I didn't take my foot off the accelerator. I don't know if you felt that.
Oh, that's what I'm calling. Got you. Yeah, no, I felt that. Like you had throttle all the time.
Yeah, you hold the accelerator down and just work the clutch and the shifter like normal. Getting a lot of interference from the nannies. They're watching over us. Which, to be honest with you, I have no problem keeping them on right now because, you know, even though it's warmer out, the roads are still kind of damp.
Oh yeah, definitely. That was loud.
Like that?
What? Was that loud?
Is that loud?
That thing sounds amazing.
Does it?
What the hell? you got sideways a couple times.
Yeah, I can't get any grip.
Yeah. Crazy.
I mean, it's warm. It's warmer than normal, but
Yeah.
the roads are still damp.
Yeah.
We're gonna get some food and then I'm gonna head home. That's what we got. We are eating here. And dude, I gotta eat. Scott's crazy enough to let me drive. I don't want to show you guys anything here. Behind the wheel of the Grand Sport. Dude, it's awesome. I know you guys are seeing the carbon fiber here, but I'll blow that out.
No, it's alright.
Dude, I cannot tell you guys how this it's such a different experience from my car than this one. It's like, it's ridiculous. It's just like, this kind of feels like a really brand new car though. I'm going right here. Alright boys, I'm heading home. And I just want to say thank you, Scott, to having me. Dude, what a fun day. What a fun. We had so much fun. Again, I said that many times on this video. Go to his YouTube channel, check all the work we did here. It was fun. If you have a C7 or even if you have any kind of Corvette, you can check it out and you definitely can do by yourself. It was fun. Scott, he did it by himself though. I didn't do that much. He did a lot. So that's how easy he is. So check it out. Awesome content. We went to a Cars and Coffee as well. He's gonna have 2 videos out of this. You guys gonna see a lot of cool stuff, and I'll see you guys there. Thanks so much, dude.
Yeah, man.
We're gonna be together more time, so you guys better get used to it. So now I'm gonna drive back home, and I catch you guys when I get in the garage, because I have to drive. For you guys, it's gonna take like 2 seconds, right?
2 seconds.
See you. Alright, boys, I'm gonna finish this video here. I'm not in the garage. I gotta drive, and I gotta stop by the ShopRite so I can buy groceries to my wife. So I just want to say thank you to Scott to have me over. It was so much fun. Such a nice guy. So you guys definitely should check it out. I'm planning to do more mods to the truck and also to the Vette. So stay tuned for that. I hope you guys enjoy this vloggy style. I love to do. This thing is talking.
Have a delicious favorite like our Italian or meatball.
And this thing is talking. As always, guys, if you're here for the first time, subscribe. I hope to see you guys next upload. And as always, never forget, enjoy your life.